Hey everybody! For those of you who do know me, that's so cool. For those of you who don't, I'm Loro. I work with Microsoft stuff. I work with Microsoft Dynamics, SharePoint, Power Apps, Power Automate. Check out my YouTube channel to learn more. I've decided to host some office hours, and if anybody's gonna join me, okay, so office hours, what does that mean? It's gonna be a live stream. I don't know when yet. I'll still decide on that. Do let me know down in the comments if you want to suggest an hour. But if anyone's gonna join me, I will be answering your questions about Microsoft stuff, about any of the topics I covered in my videos, any of the topics I did not cover in my videos, any question whatsoever pops into your mind. And if I am gonna be able to answer it, that will be so cool. If not, we're just gonna dig into it together. If no one's gonna join me, that's cool as well. I'll wait for you. I'll be waiting for an hour. I'll be, I don't know, reading some news, roasting my own videos, and I'll be, I don't know, I'll have fun, whatever I'll be doing. So if you're interested, leave down a comment and suggest an hour, what would suit you best, maybe time of the day, and do make sure to include the time zone as well. I'm at GMT +1, I believe, that's Ljubljana, Slovenia, but yeah, we'll see. If a lot of you are interested to have these office hours in another time when I'm not always available, that's cool as well. I'll try to do my best, but yeah, all in all, we'll try to have some fun. At least I will. There will be a live chat. There will be, I don't know how I'll do it yet. I've never done this before. Maybe it'll be a Teams call and you'll be able to join me live in the stream if you would like to, and discuss your I don't know, challenge, idea, whatever you want to talk about. Then yeah, maybe just hang around. So if you're interested, make sure to subscribe not to miss the announcement and the live stream when this will happen. It'll be sometime next week. I don't know when yet, but yeah, it's gonna be fun. So make sure to stick around and see you then. Cheers, bye.